Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. Today's video is a little bit different. I decided to do a what's in my bag video. I've done one before and you guys really liked it. I actually got a new luxury bag from Teddy Blake. I'm in love with this. This video is actually sponsored by Teddy Blake, so they did send me this beautiful bag that I am actually obsessed with. Like, look how pretty this is. I used this purse for the first time this weekend. I went out with my boyfriend, we took some pictures, and we did our usual Sunday activities. So I decided to leave everything that was in my bag inside my bag so I could show you guys what's in my bag. I was so excited when I saw an email from Teddy Blake. When they reached out to me, I was like, this is a dream. I can't believe this is happening. I've always wanted a burgundy bag. Like, this is my dream bag. And when I saw it, I was like, I absolutely need this. So I'm gonna have the link and everything in the description if you guys want to check them out. But Teddy Blake, if you don't know, they are made from Italian designers and it is Italian leather. It's more of a designer kind of brand, but at a more affordable price. Price tag is really good for the quality, but it's still not as expensive as other luxurious brands. This is like the perfect bag. I love it. I love the size of it. It has a little handle. You can also get it with the strap, so if you want like a crossbody, but I just love it like this. I carry it like this, or I'll carry it like this. Like, I am so in love with this bag. It's very simple but compact, fits so much. This is made with premium Italian leather, and trust me, you guys will be able to feel it when you buy it. They have so many different designs, but if you don't see a design that you like, they actually come out with the new designs every single month. So I'll have like their newsletter down below where you guys can subscribe to that as well, because you never know, your dream bag might pop up. And honestly, this is my dream bag. I am obsessed with it. So this is my new affordable Teddy Blake luxury bag. This is the Ava bag. I got it in this like burgundy color, as you guys can see. I love the shape of it also, and just the design overall. This is the 11-inch bag. It comes in other sizes as well, and I love the gold hardware, but this bag is so pretty. So you do this, and then you just go like that, and you open it up. And all my stuff, it doesn't look like a lot because trust me, this is very spacious, but this bag doesn't even look that big like in real life, so I love that. But item number one, car keys. I obviously have car keys. I have a little pouch. I have this cute hand sanitizer thing from Bath and Body Works, which I realized it lights up after I purchased it. I'm obsessed with it. Look at this. So it's like this cute little dog with a unicorn. The unicorn horn lights up, and then you push it again. This part lights up. You can't really see because all of the bright lights and everything, but the little horn lights up, and then it kind of shows here. So I do like using that as a flashlight, and then I just have my keys and my car keys on it. Next, Smart Sweets. So again, I was with my boyfriend, and I usually do give him some of these. Smart Sweets is amazing. If you have not tried them, they're so good. They're like healthy snacks. So I just like to have Smart Sweets on hand, especially because we were out taking pictures, and when we go on like hikes and everything, I do like to just have little snacks on hand. So I usually do always have a Smart Sweets on me. Next, that's right, I got a matching wallet. It doesn't match 100% just because it's different leather and different material, but it's super similar. So this is a wallet from Teddy Blake. This, you can see the color of the purse and the wallet. This is a little more like browny purpley tone, where this has a more of a red burgundy undertone. This is the TB Vitello zip wallet. I absolutely love this. Very lightweight, but again, very luxurious feeling. It's got that like nice shine to it. I love it. And then it has little gold hardware and gold accents, so their name is in gold, and the zipper, as you can see. I actually took everything out of this already. I did use it for like pictures and everything, but I did take it out just because on day-to-day life I do like to have my little keychain. But this is still really nice, so if you are somebody that likes long wallets, definitely recommend checking this one out. I actually really like it. So I do want to show you guys, this is what it looks like. There's lots of space for cards and also for like cash and everything. Both of these are the same, and then I love how it has the middle for coins. I am actually somebody that has a lot of cash. If you guys don't know, I waitress, so I do get a lot of cash and like change and everything, and I can't always fit it in my small little pouch that I have on my keys. So this is a great alternative, and it fits perfectly in there with so much room left. I did use it over the weekend, but I do like to just kind of keep it more simplistic during the week. But on weekends, or if I'm going out or anything like that, I do like to carry this around. Also makes for a really cute clutch if you don't want to wear like a purse and you also don't want to carry around like your car keys and all of that. This retails for $263 Canadian. Absolutely worth it. This also comes in I think 10 or 11 different colors. There's so many colors to choose from, but I really wanted like a staple fall bag, and like I said, I've always wanted a burgundy bag, and literally my dream bag that they created, so I needed to grab it. And obviously I wanted the matching little wallet for it because I think it's just super cute to have two that are similar and just like, you know, put it in there. It's just really cute. So definitely wanted that. They have different colors. If this color is not your thing, they have different colors in this purse as well, and then also in this wallet. Next up we have chocolate. So this is today's chocolate. It's a Kit Kat Chunky, which I don't know if you guys have Kit Kats in the States, but long story short, every time my boyfriend and I go to a gas station together, he always goes in and comes out with like surprises for me. This week it was 2 different chocolate bars and a rose. If you're following me on Instagram, you would have saw it. So I did eat one of the chocolate bars already, but I just have this one with me. And this is a Kit Kat Chunky. It usually comes like thinner where you can rip them apart, but this is what it is. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's like a waffle crispy inside. So good. So yeah, he always comes out with like cute little surprises. Sometimes it's ice cream, sometimes it's chocolate. I get a rose sometimes. So he always brings out cute little things. So I did just stuff that one in my purse because we were in the car driving. I think everybody has this, a hair tie. This is the, I don't remember what these ones are called, but I really like them. I have to put it in hot water so it kind of goes back to its original shape. But these are the ones that I like using because they don't give me that like bump on my head. I also have this Dior lip oil, which I actually really like this one. It was all over the internet and I had to pick it up. I picked it up in the cherry. 015 cherry. I actually really like this one also. It is pretty pricey. I mean, it's a luxury lip gloss, but I like it. This one also comes in like 5 different colors, I think. I want to get the light pink one next. A lot of people in the comments said that it doesn't give you a tint, but obviously, as you guys can see, I have a little tint on my lips and I put like very little of this, so I do like it. It smells really good and it's very hydrating to me, but I will be going in for another color. Also, I do like this one because it gives you kind of like a little bit of color, so I like that. I am going to use it because it was pricey, and I mean, I don't hate it. Next up, I think we all kind of walk around with this, but yeah, I carry around tampons. I don't know if you do, but I usually always have them like everywhere, in the car, in my purse. You never know, you know? And then I love this. I got this from Bath & Body Works. It's a hand cream. This is in the rose. Oh, it's so good. I need hand cream also because I want to show you the next thing in my bag, and it makes my hands really dry, so I always like to carry around hand cream as well. Oh, it smells so good. I love this one. I just discovered it like last month and I'm obsessed with it. I need to go back and buy more, but I use it after I use this hand sanitizer, so I actually just refilled it. If you guys saw my Bath & Body Works haul, I bought a bunch of these. They were $1 at Bath & Body Works, so I did stock up on these. Funny enough, I actually really like this one. It's called Vampire Blood. But I don't know, I'm just obsessed with these little ones. They fit everywhere. I love the smell of it, and honestly, I am somebody that sanitizes a lot. After I come back from somewhere, before I go somewhere, I am always sanitizing, so I do need sanitizer and cream in my purse at all times. I also have it in my car. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but there's a little like pouch. Let me show you guys. There's a little pouch right here. And then there's also another zipper pocket. So in that pouch is where I keep my hand sanitizer. I also do have an Aritzia face mask. So I do have face masks everywhere also because COVID, but I do like to keep an extra one in my purse at all times just in case anything. I also have perfumes. These are just little samples from Sephora. I have the Black Opium one, which I love, and then I wanted to test out the Tom Ford Black Orchid one. So these are the two samples that I just have right now in my purse. And then in this little section, lastly, I have little liners. That is everything that was inside my bag. And there's also this pocket here, which I didn't use it this time, but it's definitely convenient if honestly you don't even want to bring a wallet. You can just put your cards in there and then zip it up and it's secure. You know, your cards are secure in there. Or also put it inside this one that has the zipper. And yeah, that is my beautiful new Teddy Blake purse and everything that I had inside. So you just have the magnetic closure and then you just pop these in there like that. And it also comes with a Teddy Blake dust bag. So the wallet has its own and so does the purse, and I like to store them in their little dust bags. And voila! And then the wallet just fits nice and perfect. And there you have it. Luxury bags minus the luxury price tag. Still super affordable and I absolutely love them. Thank you so much to Teddy Blake for sponsoring today's video and sending me these beautiful bags. I will have them linked in my description if you guys want to check it out. I'll have my bag, my wallet, and then also just their general website for you guys to go check it out, because like I said, they have so many different bags. It was kind of hard picking which bag I wanted because they have so many great ones, so you guys are definitely gonna find one that you like. But if not, again, they have new styles every month. If you guys see a bag that you like, definitely leave it in the comments. I'm curious to know your guys' style, so go check their website and then leave in the comments which bag you would like and which bag you would pick. But that is everything. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!